In this video, I will be talking about the two major things I have come to discover controls or direct the movement of the synthetic market based on my own personal experience. And the two things I've come to discover controls or direct the synthetic market are candlesticks and time frame. Now, unlike the currency market that is controlled by different fundamental factors, for example, the news, the banks, and the rest, the synthetic indices market is controlled by a cryptographical secured random number generator, and our options to analyze the market is not as much as that of the currency market. I'm sure most of you are familiar with what candlesticks are in the forex market, but are you flexible with candlesticks on all time frames? Do we know how these candlesticks move? What is the best time frame to execute a trade using candlestick trading strategy? Now, in the forex market, we have several candlesticks, but there are certain candlesticks powerful enough to change the trend of the market. This video is not to teach you about candlesticks, no. It is to teach you how to analyze trades properly and execute your trades at the best point of entry using candlestick strategy. Currently, I have this buy trade running and I've been holding it for the past 4 days. I started this account from $500. Yeah, I started this account from $500. I grew it to over 6K. I withdrew 4K. I left $2,000 in the account, that I think $2,200, and then I grew the account from $2,200 to $17,000, and I left this position to keep on running, and the position is running in profit of $5,800, and I think I have my equity is around $23,000 here. For this trade was also given on my VIP signal group. Yeah. Okay. The account was on $500. The account was $500 at first. I grew it to over $6,000 plus, and then I withdrew $4,000. I left, I think, $2,200 on my MT5 account, and then so I grew the $2,200 to over $24,000. Yeah, it was running a profit of $16,000. Yeah, I took partial profit, and that's why you see I have $7,800 as my balance. You can see my equity is $24,000, and that's my entry right there. So now my reason for saying all this is I want you to ask the question, what did Stoner see that made him execute this buy trade? Because if you look at my screen, I don't have much drama going on. No trend lines, no indicators, none of that. All I have here is my naked chart and my trade running. Okay, so the only reason why I executed this swing buy trade is based on a reversal candlestick I saw on daily time frame. Now I need you to know that we have 7 powerful candlesticks that changes the trend of the market, and as you continue to trade with your own personal practice, you will come to discover that we have other reversal candlesticks on the chart. Now my trade, this trade you see currently running on my screen, I executed this trade based on this candlestick you see right here, the pin bar at the bottom of this is the candlestick I saw, and this is the only reason why I executed this trade you see on my screen. Now my first entry was somewhere around here. Yeah, somewhere around, I think 7.3 something. I'm going to check. And my second entry, this is my second entry right here. Now I know as a trader, this is the part where I need you to pay attention. Now, as a trader, you are likely to have heard things like you need to wait for the complete formation of your candlestick before executing a trade. But based on my own personal experience, I execute trades based on what I see, not based on what I learned through PDFs or so. This is daily time frame, and I know you were taught to, execute your trade after the full formation of this candle. After this candle closes, and you are sure it is a pin bar, it is a reversal candle, you are told to execute your trade somewhere here, and then fix your stop loss below the pin bar or at the bottom of the pin bar, which is going to be this point. And remember, this is daily time frame. And now imagine you execute this trade here at 7640.74, and then you fix your stop loss here 7056.53. Now let's calculate it together. Your entry point is 7640.74 minus your stop loss, which is 7056.53. Yeah, 7056.53 times whatever you get by the lot size you want to use for your trade. Now let's times this by lot size let's use lot size 0.5 for this trade. Now you are risking $292. You are risking $292. Remember, this is daily time frame. That is why your stop loss is as wide as this. Now you fix your take profit here. Let me delete this. Now you fix your take profit here, and then let us calculate how much you are going to make at the end of this trade. Now your take profit is 8742.89. Okay, now you are risking $292 to make $551. As for me, this trading style is wrong. It is totally wrong. Think about it. Why execute your trade at this point when you can find the perfect entry for this trade at this point here? Why execute your trade here when you can actually execute your trade at the best point of entry, which is the exact place where market decides to change trend? Why not execute your trade here, and instead of risking, okay, let's calculate how much you'll be risking if you are able to execute your trade successfully at this point, and then you fix your stop loss below, and then you have your take profit fixed somewhere around here. So now your entry point is going to be 7109.83 minus your stop loss, which is 7056.53. Now you'll be risking, then times whatever you get by the lot size you. Let's still use the 0.5. Now you're risking $26 to make you're risking $26 to make, let's see how much you'll be making if we have our TP fixed here. Now our take profit is 8742.89 minus our entry point, which is 7109.83. Then times it by 0.5. Now we are risking $26 to make $816. Do you get it? We are risking $26 to make $816. Versatile with candlesticks on all time frame from 1 minute to monthly. You must also be able to see beyond the candles on your screen and predict exactly what the market is likely to do for the next 4 hours, the next 5 days, the next 2 months. As long as you can buy from this point, you are not wrong. Your prediction is right, because at the end of the day, the trend is bullish, but your entry is not good enough. Market may decide to play around this level, and if your entry isn't somewhere around here, from this point, the beginning of the week to the ending of the week to this point, if your entry is not somewhere around here, you might get kicked out. Some traders are likely to close their trades due to fear. Some are likely to lose their account, and all this is due to wrong entry. Now, I did not only execute this buy trade using daily time frame and H4. This is it. I used the candles formed on higher time frame to predict how far a trade is likely to go. And then I used the candles formed on the lower time frame to execute my trades. I hope you get it. To have an idea of how far a trade is likely to go, I analyze the market on higher time frame. And then to catch a sniper entry, to execute my trades at a point where there is likely to be no retracement or a little retracement, I go to the lower time frame. Now let's check out the candles formed on the lower time frame. Now we are dealing with this candle, the pin bar here, and this is daily time frame. Let us see all what happened from this point, from the body of the candle, which is this point, to the bottom of the candle, the wick. Let's see what happened on H4. We've checked out H4 before. Now let's see what happened on 1 hour time frame. Now on 1 hour time frame, the candle formed here is a tweezer bottom, which is one of the powerful 7 reversal candlesticks. This candle you see right here, the combination of the red candle here and the green candle here is called the tweezer bottom candle, and it is a reversal candle. Now I saw this candle here. Let's also see what happened on 30 minutes. Now this 30-minute time frame, and as you can see on my screen, a doji is formed at the bottom of the trend. This is it. Now the candles formed on both time frames signifies that trend is about to change. Although I missed the buy entry at this point, at the bottom here, I missed the buy entry. I waited for the confirmation of my own, I waited for the 4 hours candle to confirm my own entry. Due to I already missed the entry here, I waited for H4 to give me a reversal candle, which was this candle with this candle, and I executed my trade here. Remember I told you guys my first entry was 730. Yeah, my first entry was here 730 something. I think 007 or so. But my first entry was here. I took profit already. I've taken profit. So, but then if you decide to take this trade, the best point of entry is this point. Let's see it on 30 minutes. The doji on 30 minutes. Yeah, this is the best entry. Now, if you know me well enough, you know this is the exact point where I will have executed my buy. Now, I don't have enough confirmation yet that the market is about to buy. The candles on 1 hour and 30 minutes is not enough confirmation that the market is about to buy. So I need to go down to a lower time frame again to get my confirmation and also to get my sniper entry at the best point, and the best time frame to go to is 5 minutes. Now, immediately after the closure of this candle right here on 30 minutes, let's see what the market did on 5 minutes time frame after this candle opened. You know, this candle closed, the doji, and then this green candle here opened. Let me place this line on the green candle. Yeah, so let's see what the market did on 5 minutes after this candle closed and after the opening of this candle. Now, the green candle opened at this point. Yeah, and then you notice that the first thing the market did was to move downwards. There was a sell, a downtrend. The market opened here where the doji is, and after the opening of this doji, the market fell. There was a sell. Now, if a trade is likely to move towards the direction you predict it will go, the trade is likely to first go the opposite way for a short while. Now, based on my own personal belief, I think this is done to distract you, to divert your attention. The market is more likely playing with your mind. You will notice that after this short sell, a strong green reversal candle formed, which is a doji, yeah, and the heavy buy started. Market started buying all the way. You can see how far the buy. Now, all you needed to execute this trade successfully was the doji you see here on 5 minutes. And that's the simple reason why I said you must be very flexible with candlesticks. You don't need to draw trend lines or any of these things if you can perfect your candlestick strategy. Now, let's calculate how much you'll be risking if you executed your trade at this point, and let's see how much you are likely to make if you took this trade. Now, your entry point is let's just say your entry is 7. Now, this is how you see me execute those trades you see on my channel or on my Instagram account. You know, some people doubt trades like that, but it's simply knowledge. You must know what you are putting your money into. You must have concrete knowledge about it. You don't doubt other people's results because you are not able to produce the same result. Now let's just say my entry is at this point 7088.23, and then my stop loss is at this point 7049.11. Let's calculate this together. 7088.23 minus 7049.11 then times it by, let's use lot size 1. Yeah, now I'm risking $39. Now let's see how much I'm likely to make after this trade. Now my entry point is 7088.23. And my take profit is, let me fix, okay, yeah, this is my take profit here. Let's just fix it here. My take profit is 8675.40. Then times whatever you get by the lot size you used to calculate your stop loss. Now we use lot size 1, right? That means I'll be making $1,587, risking $39.